Put the phone into the mold and apply the waterproof adhesive to the dispenser. The machine works with polishing water, so waterproofing is a necessary step before grinding and polishing. Put the phone into the UV lamp for about 15 seconds to solidify the waterproof adhesive. Take the phone out of the UV lamp. Test waterproof effect. Phones may get water damage if waterproofing is not done properly. Place the mold plate into the grinding area of the machine and place it next to a supporting arm. Put the tank back into the machine. Close the side cover plate. The machine uses a water circulation system. The polishing water is pumped into the machine and can be reused. Press the start button. Set the working time to 10 minutes. The working time depends on the size of the scratches. Adjust revolutions according to different needs. Adjust the speed to 20, 50. Add pressure iron blocks according to different demand products. Close the door to prevent water from splashing. The waiting time is over and the polishing is completed. Remove mold from the mold plate. Tear off the waterproof adhesive and take the phone out. Add anti-fingerprint oil. Apply anti-fingerprint oil evenly. Look at the final sanding result like new.